BASHKODEJIIBIK, BASHKODEJIIBIK, NOOKWEZHIGAN, NOOKWEZHIGAN. Hey.
Oh, the sun's coming up. It's going to be a really pretty morning. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO, the star of the show.
Oh, get out of here, will ya?
So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
And today, I was just singing our Ojibwe words of the day. BASHKODEJIIBIK, BASHKODEJIIBIK, NOOKWEZHIGAN, NOOKWEZHIGAN. I mean, it's not much of a song, it's all chorus. But, a lot of people, I get this question a lot. They go, hey, Nana BOOZHOO, can you tell us something about SAGE, about the sacred medicine, BASHKODEJIIBIK? What's up with that? And, what's the difference between sage and smudge? Well, it's like this, kids. Sage is a noun, and smudge is what you do with the sage. So this is BASHKODEJIIBIK, sage, and it's a mushkiki that the Gitchi Manadu, that the Great Spirit gave us, and it purifies the air. You set it on fire, and then you smudge down, you smudge all around you, and you can smudge the room, and it gets rid of the bad spirits, and it invites in the good Manadug, the good spirits, the Mino Manadug. So yeah, BASHKODEJIIBIK, sage, NOOKWEZHIGAN, smudge. Oh, wow, that was right to the point, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's call that a show then. We're going to keep it short today. You want to add anything to this, sweetie?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe just don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get more subscriptions. Oh, and you can order some stuff. Click the links. Check the description box. We got t-shirts for sale and that.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget your t-shirts. You can click the link down here.
And, what else? We got a PayPal and all that.
All right. Well, hey, thank you so much, sweetie. And I want to say thank you to you, the viewer, miigwech, for watching. BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast
About Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And I will see you again. Gigawa min. Menowa. Oh. All right, nicely done.
Oh, brother.
Want to smudge down then?